Elon Musk is a man who thrives on pushing boundaries. He has transformed the automotive industry with Tesla. His company SpaceX is revolutionizing space exploration. Now, Musk has set his sights on conquering the skies. The world held its breath as he unveiled his most ambitious project yet, the Tesla aircraft. This $13 billion marvel of engineering is poised to redefine air travel as we know it. Musk's vision is clear: to create a future where air travel is not only sustainable but also faster and more efficient than ever before. He envisions a world where the limitations of traditional aviation are a distant memory. Imagine a world with no runways, no harmful emissions, and no lengthy security lines. This is the promise of the Tesla aircraft. The unveiling of the Model A aircraft, as it is called, sent shockwaves through the industry. Live-streamed to a global audience, the event showcased a sleek, futuristic aircraft unlike anything the world had ever seen. This wasn't just an evolution of existing technology, it was a complete paradigm shift. With the Tesla aircraft, Musk isn't just aiming to build a better airplane, he's aiming to revolutionize transportation itself. This is more than just a business venture for Musk, it's a mission. He believes that transforming air travel is essential for the future of humanity. The Model A aircraft is a sight to behold. Its sleek, futuristic design is unmistakably Tesla, with smooth curves and minimalist aesthetics. But this aircraft is more than just a pretty face. Underneath its exterior lies a machine of incredible power and sophistication. One of the most striking features of the Model A is its ability to take off and land vertically. Imagine a world where airports as we know them are obsolete. With VTOL capabilities, the Tesla aircraft can take off and land from virtually anywhere, from rooftops to remote locations. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The Model A is also capable of reaching supersonic speeds, exceeding Mach 2. This means it can travel at over 1,500 miles per hour, making it faster than any commercial jet in operation today. Imagine traveling from New York to London in under 3 hours. The secret to the Model A's incredible performance lies in its revolutionary propulsion system, quantum lift dynamics. This groundbreaking technology sets the Tesla aircraft apart from anything else in the sky. Quantum lift dynamics is the heart of the Tesla aircraft. This revolutionary propulsion system represents a clean break from the principles of traditional aviation. Forget about jet engines and fuel-powered propulsion. The Tesla aircraft operates on a completely different level. At the core of this technology is the manipulation of electromagnetic fields. The aircraft utilizes a series of ion thrusters and electromagnetic field generators strategically placed along its wings and fuselage. These work in harmony to create lift and thrust, propelling the aircraft through the air with incredible precision and efficiency. The Tesla aircraft doesn't just defy gravity, it dances with it. By leveraging Earth's natural magnetic field, the aircraft can achieve lift and maneuverability that seem impossible by conventional standards. It can hover like a helicopter, accelerate like a rocket, and glide effortlessly through the air. But the real magic of quantum lift dynamics lies in its sustainability. Because it doesn't rely on burning fossil fuels, the Tesla aircraft produces zero emissions during flight. This makes it the first truly sustainable aircraft, paving the way for a greener future for aviation. Powering the future. The Maxwell supercell. Of course, such groundbreaking technology requires an equally impressive power source. Enter the Maxwell supercell, Tesla's revolutionary battery technology. This isn't just an incremental improvement in battery technology, it's a giant leap forward. The Maxwell supercell boasts an energy density far exceeding anything currently available. This means it can store significantly more energy in a smaller and lighter package, which is crucial for aviation. Traditional lithium-ion batteries are simply too heavy and inefficient to power an aircraft like the Model A. But the Maxwell supercell doesn't just hold a charge, it actively replenishes it during flight. Integrated solar panels on the aircraft's exterior work in tandem with the battery, capturing solar energy and converting it into usable power. Imagine an aircraft that not only flies without consuming fossil fuels, but also generates its own clean energy during flight. That's the power of the Maxwell supercell, and it's a game-changer for sustainable aviation. Sustainability takes flight. The environmental impact of the aviation industry is undeniable. Traditional aircraft are major contributors to greenhouse gas emissions and noise pollution. The Tesla aircraft offers a beacon of hope for a more sustainable future. With its zero-emission propulsion system and regenerative energy capabilities, The Model A has the potential to significantly reduce the aviation industry's carbon footprint. Imagine a world where air travel no longer contributes to climate change, but Musk's vision for sustainability goes beyond just reducing emissions. He sees a future where air travel actually contributes to a healthier planet. The Tesla aircraft's ability to generate its own clean energy during flight means it could potentially contribute excess energy back to the grid, further reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Musk is not keeping this technology to himself. He plans to make the Tesla aircraft's technology open source after a decade, encouraging other companies to follow suit and adopt sustainable practices. This bold move has the potential to accelerate the industry's transition to a greener future. AI, at the helm, autonomous and intelligent. True to Tesla's roots in artificial intelligence, the Model A is designed to be fully autonomous. This isn't just about making flying more convenient, it's about making it safer and more efficient. The aircraft is equipped with a suite of advanced sensors, cameras, and LiDAR systems that allow it to navigate airspace with unparalleled precision. These systems work together to create a real-time, three-dimensional map of the aircraft's surroundings, allowing it to avoid obstacles and make intelligent decisions. But the AI doesn't stop there. It also manages the aircraft's energy consumption, optimizing flight paths for maximum efficiency. This means less energy is wasted, leading to longer range and reduced operating costs. Musk has even hinted at the possibility of integrating Neuralink, his brain-computer interface company, into the Model A. Imagine a future where you can control an aircraft with your thoughts. While this technology is still in its early stages, it highlights the boundless possibilities of the Tesla aircraft. Reshaping the sky's economic and global impact. The Tesla aircraft is not just a technological marvel, it's also a potential economic game-changer. The development and production of the Model A will create countless new jobs in engineering, manufacturing, software development, and more. The introduction of Tesla Skyports, futuristic hubs designed for the Model A, will further stimulate the economy. These hubs will serve as charging stations, maintenance centers, and passenger terminals, creating a whole new ecosystem around electric aviation. But the economic impact of the Tesla aircraft goes beyond job creation. Its revolutionary technology and potential for cost savings could disrupt the entire aviation industry. Traditional airlines will need to adapt quickly or risk being left behind. The Model A's impact will be felt far beyond the world of commercial aviation. Its speed, range, and VTOL capabilities make it ideal for a variety of applications, from cargo transport to disaster relief efforts. The possibilities are truly limitless.